Hi, this is a demo of the Hill Giant one knob fuzz, which is a hand-wired point-to-point fuzz pedal I make here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's hideous. For these demos, I will be using a parts caster Jaguar that I put together myself. It's got a pickup that I wound myself in the bridge and a Lawler Jaguar pickup in the neck position. I'll be playing through a Vox AC15C1 and a Princeton reverb simultaneously, and I'll try to give you a few different examples of how this pedal can sound in combination with other pedals with and without reverb, etc. Here it is with the bridge pickup. The amps are clean. Here we go. Here is the neck pickup. Amps are clean, no reverb, none of that. Neck pickup again. All right, back to the bridge pickup with a little reverb on it from the Princeton reverb. It is set at just a little past the number 2. This is the neck position with a little more reverb. This is the neck pickup through an MXR carbon copy. So I switched guitars, and now I've got a Epiphone SG Junior with a P90 bridge pickup that either me or my brother wound, and I've tuned it down a bunch and into drop D, just so you guys can see what that sounds like. So that's it. That's what you get. $80 plus shipping. Handmade here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania by me. Point-to-point wiring. Hill Giant. Never heard of him.